Today we're going to show you how to install carbon fiber side skirt extensions on a BMW G20 M340. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Today, we're going to show you how to install these amazing looking carbon fiber side skirt extensions on Edwin's BMW M340 G20. Now, when you first take a look at carbon fiber side skirt extensions for the G20, you will notice that, well, they look a little short. And the reason for that is if you look right here, there's a little light. So when you open the door, it shoots down this cool design on the ground, but if you had regular side skirt extensions, it would cover it. Now, this is a pretty easy process and you're only going to need a handful of tools, including molding tape, 70% isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber towel, scissors or a knife, self-tapping screws, and some kind of driver. As you'd expect, step one is to thoroughly clean the bottom of the side skirt with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Once you've thoroughly cleaned the underneath of the side skirt with isopropyl alcohol, what we're going to do now is we are going to put one strip of molding tape. Now, the kind we like to use is called 3M Extreme. And we're going to have links to all the products and tools we use in today's video down in the description. But all you need to do is just one long strip down the side. So now what we're going to do is we are going to position the rear, and then we're going to guide the front and put everything into place. So to do this, we're going to start to peel back the tape here. Just like that. And basically what's going to happen, I'm going to tell you before we do it, we're going to try to stick this a little bit on, just get everything into position, make sure that this is pretty much lined up with the back, and then I'm going to put a screw in the back to make sure that everything is completely held in place. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slowly peel off the tape and stick it on as we go. So let's take this now. One little note here, if you want to put a piece of tape here, you can. But once you put tape and screw this thing in the bottom, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to line up the back, and you're going to just kind of push it underneath. Okay, just like that. I'm going to peel off the tape and just continue to stick it on. And what I like to do before I get too far, as you can see, everything is being held on by the tape. I like to just put a screw down here at the end. Just like that. And then I can continue to remove the tape, stick on our side skirt. And what I'll do, before I get too far, I'll just take another screw. And there are those, they're not fully drilled, but there are those little dimples underneath that'll show you where you should put the screws. Then you can continue to peel your tape off. And again, every so often, just grab a screw and put it underneath just to make sure that everything is held in place. Then you can continue to remove the rest of the tape. And as you guessed, we're going to put more screws in. Then once everything is held in place, what you can do is fully remove the tape if you haven't done so already, and then put the remainder of the screws in. At this part of the process, the G20 BMW side skirt extensions are fully installed. Check it out. how easy it is to install carbon fiber side skirt extensions to your BMW G20. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all of the parts and tools we use in today's video. Be sure to see the links in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.